What's up everyone, it's your girl Angelique and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how a demo video looks like for teaching English as a foreign language. So yeah, firstly it is important that you have props, right? You have to have props. I'll just show you what I made. See, you need props. It is nice to have this because then you can interact with the children. Yeah, and then your background has to be nice, you have to have a nice background. I'm still busy with mine, still in process. And then another thing, you need headsets with a mic. I'm still waiting for mine though, but I'll show you just how the video must be like. Introduction video is not about your life story. No, that is not our introduction video look like. This is our introduction video. So like, sit back and enjoy, and I hope this helps you. I'll as well add topics that you can do. I'll put it on the screen. And then yeah, thank you for watching. Hello, my name is Teacher Angelique. What is your name? Can you say hello, Teacher Angelique? Well done! You get a big star. Today we'll be looking at animals. Can you say animals? Well done. One more time. Can you say animals? Well done. You get a big star. Number 1. Can you say one? Nice. Blah, meh, meh, meh. Sheep. Can you say sheep? Well done. Blah, blah, blah. Number 2. Can you say two? Well done. One more time. Can you say two? Well done. Chicken. Chicken. Can you say chicken? Well done. One more time. Well done. You get a big star. And that is the end of our lesson. Let's say bye. Say with me, bye. Bye. Well done. See you in our next lesson. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for staying this far. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be part of the Angel Gang. So yeah, that is how a demo video / introduction video should actually look like. In my previous video, that is how a introduction video should not look like. And yeah, If you have anything specific you want me to make a video about, please comment down below. I'll really appreciate it. That will also make me aware of what type of content you'll want to see from me. That's it from me. See you in the next video. Bye.